New Orleans, a city known for its vibrant culture and notable history, is also at the forefront of public health study. At the LSU Health Science Center in New Orleans, the School of Public Health offers students the opportunity to work on some of the world's leading public health issues. Our students develop the skills they need to make changes not only in their communities, but throughout the world. There are many reasons to pursue a public health degree, and each reason is just as unique as our students themselves.
I chose public health because it's a rapidly growing field and it gives me a broad variety of careers to choose from, and I know that jobs will always be around.
I chose public health because I'm a childhood cancer survivor, and I knew I always wanted to be involved in the search for a cure, but I didn't want to be a doctor, and chemistry always confused me. So when I found public health, it gave me a way to help cure cancer.
I chose public health because as a future physician, I want to care for my patients more than from a medical perspective. I know I want to go into oncology, and I like my concentration's epi for my MPH, and looking at the other reasons that somebody might be experiencing cancer. It's so much more than this gene and this cell did something weird. It's what environment are you living in or other social drivers. So I feel like public health helps me look at my patients a lot more holistically, which really matters to me.
I chose public health because I was always interested in preventing illness and diseases, trying to keep people from being sick. And I found public health after I found my love for research. So then I had the best of both worlds, research and public health.
At the LSU School of Public Health, any undergraduate degree is welcome. Because we have a holistic admissions process, our students represent many different backgrounds, ages, and creeds, and come from all over the world. With a 3-to-1 student-to-teacher ratio, all students receive one-on-one personalized attention from their initial applications to their graduation. Whether it's helping find opportunities for research, practicum placements, or working with you to translate what you learn in the classroom into real-world experiences.
I believe that we have like a very awesome faculty who will definitely guide me to choose the options that life has to offer. And also we have like awesome faculty too who will help me to enhance my CV to get there, and also to prepare for interview process.
I think the SPH program at LSU will help me reach my career goals because the professors here are really great at connecting students and helping us network and guide us in our career path. For me especially, becoming an epidemiologist.
You're going to meet wonderful professors that are dedicated to shaping your skills, your experiences, and your general confidence when it comes to entering the workforce upon graduation.
Multiple different degree programs and concentrations mean that there is a place for everyone in public health.
Now, public health means responsibility to the community for the betterment of the good of the whole, as opposed to healthcare services, which is more oriented towards the good of the individual. Not to say that the good of the individual isn't also sought, but it's equal responsibility.
The School of Public Health is proud to be the home of many different programs and services, like the Louisiana Cancer Prevention and Control Programs and the Institute for Public Health Justice, all of which work towards a healthier Louisiana and beyond.
So a lot of public health actions in New Orleans in many fields. The first field is to monitor health status to identify and solve community health problems. Louisiana Tumor Registry, Tobacco Control Initiatives, Comprehensive Alcohol, HIV, and AIDS Research Center all have great opportunities to help monitor health status to identify and solve community health problems. We are also informing, educating, and empowering people about health issues.
So LSU is unique, and students learn and experience something different because our faculty are practitioner researchers. You aren't going to encounter somebody in the classroom that isn't actively engaged in city and state research, practice, policy. So that makes us very different in a lot of ways. The other thing is we are listening to the field of workforce development. What do people hiring public health graduates want? And they want people that can present, people that can analyze data, people that can write, and people that can critically think. And we spend a lot of time developing all those skills while they're here with us.
I personally love LSU. I can see myself at another school other than LSU, so I love New Orleans a little bit more than Baton Rouge, but I think I want to explore a different campus but have the same school type feel, because LSU is truly the best school.
LSU School of Public Health is like a second home for me. I have been here for more than 5 years, and it's a small, we have students are small in groups, so we get like individual attention from the professor, and I think you will not regret to come here.
This state has problems in terms of moving towards renewable energy. We have problems, we are the lowest in terms of healthcare. We are the lowest on many different measures, and it is an experiment. It is wide open for people to come in here and affect change.
Applying to the LSU School of Public Health is fast and easy. All application requirements can be found on our website, and we have admission staff that are always available to answer questions. All application materials must be submitted through the School of Public Health application service. Students find that the LSU School of Public Health provides high-quality education for an economical price. For a more in-depth list, visit our website. Scholarship and funding opportunities are available for all students, including international students.
My favorite class at the School of Public Health, or one of my favorite classes, was the Environmental Health Policy class, as well as the Project Management class. Again, they spoke to just different aspects that I was interested in, and those were two of my favorite classes, but it's hard to
I believe the most rewarding aspect was the experience I got while doing the required practicum. This practicum gives you the opportunity to network and gain understanding of what you may be doing after you graduate. It also helps you decide what you may want to do after graduation and what you don't want to do.
I would say one of the most rewarding things was building the relationships with public health experts. Seeing the passion that they have, the knowledge that they have, that was probably the most rewarding. As well as working with students. A lot of the group projects, I often hate group projects, but that's what you do in the real world and in your jobs. And that was probably another one of the most rewarding experiences is working with my fellow students and learning how to collaborate and present, really good proposals, presentations, and learning how to work with different personalities and different ideas to have an end product that was great.
At LSU, your education is in your hands. Between our economical pricing, faculty invested in your success, and the opportunities for real-world experience, your time spent here allows you to thrive anywhere. As we say to our students, change the world, start in New Orleans. For more information, head to sph.lsuhsc.edu.